Hello, welcome to a new test, a new unboxing. Today is the new video receiver from a Boscam company with 32 channels working on the 5.8 GHz frequency band. Okay, we start the unboxing. Okay. What we find is the receiver, something light, maybe a little bit more heavier than the RC832 I got. The audio video output are on the bottom side, as well have the power adapter, and you have find on the front side the antenna RP-SEMA connector. So what we can find inside is okay, the antenna, a stick antenna, the IV connector, okay, and finally a power adapter ending by a GST back connector. So I will make a small try. I will plug the antenna, okay, and I will plug the DC in. Is written 12 volt, but I will make a test also with a 2S LiPo to see it's working. So I will start with, okay, with a 3S LiPo. Okay, I can select the channel inside the 40 and select a band selector here. Okay, we have 4 bands, and on each band you have 8 different channels, so in total of 32 channels is working. Okay, I will try with the 2S LiPo if it can be power on. Well, it seems to work also. Yes, okay. And maybe it's good. Maybe it will less warm with the 2S LiPo. I will see, but it seems to work. That's good. Great. Thank you. Bye-bye.